Hello and welcome to the video where I will show you how to connect your Apple AirPod Pros to your iPad. It's a Bluetooth connection between the two. Let's enable Bluetooth on the iPad first. What we'll do then is go to the settings button. Look down the left hand side, you'll see Bluetooth. And then in the upper right, you'll see Bluetooth again. Just press the button beside it and that will enable Bluetooth. And it's now looking for a device to pair with. So now we turn our attention to the AirPod Pros. On the back of the case, there's a button which will make these discoverable. So I'm going to hold the back of the button for a couple of seconds and open the lid, keeping the AirPods close to the iPad, and you can see that they have been discovered. I'll place that to one side, and just to note as well, you can see a flashing white light on the AirPod case. That's just letting you know they are discoverable. So I'll click connect. Up pops another graphic talking about media control, and I can actually close this. And if I look here, it says AirPods Pro connected. So these are ready to go. You can listen to your music right now. Let me just show you a couple of settings before I go. If you click on the I beside AirPods Pro, you can see here is where you can change the name of the AirPods. You can alter noise cancellation, turn it off, transparency mode. You can press and hold the AirPods and designate a control to either AirPod if you so wish. And you have a couple other options here. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Lets me know it's working for you guys and lets others know it will hopefully work for them as well. Thank you very much for choosing my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.